So guys, sinadya ko talaga itong gagawing video ito. Tignan nyo kung ano ang page transparency niya. Ito guys, oh. Nigeria po. Itong phone ko ay itong phone ko ay old phone ito, ha. Old phone ito ng Oppo phone. So I try to check it here because in my other account I blocked them all. So now I try to join a group again here. So this is it. All are Nigeria. So this is it. Take a look, guys. You want to see the post? So this is it. Yan siya, guys. Yan siya. Nigeria po ang may-ari ng account na ito. Okay? I am not making any joke. I am here to help all of you for my awareness. Okay? This is a screen video record. Okay? So now I am using my other account in my YouTube channel so that you will know the truth. So this person is Hamdan and Dubai fans. So meaning he is not Prince of Dubai. He is only the fans of Prince Hamdan Plaza. This account is Nigeria. Okay? So this one is screenshot only. So always take care of this man. All of this was edited. Okay? Edited all this one. So it's up to you if you don't believe in me. So good luck. Okay? So I'm trying to join this group now. So this is it. This is the post of this group. And then this is Mahitalat.